Assalamu alaikum senior 1. I hope you all are doing well. Today class we will start our August assignment. And the first topic for this month is weather and climate. And this chapter is from your geography portion. In today's lecture class, I will give you the introduction of this chapter. So listen to me carefully and let's start that what is weather and climate. Weather refers to a specific condition that happens over the period of few hours or days. For example, a very hot day suddenly becomes cloudy and then leads to heavy rainfall. यानी मौसम की वो सूरत हाल, वो कंडीशन जो कि कुछ घंटों या कुछ दिनों के लिए होती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप देखते हो कि किसी दिन बहुत तेज़ धूप होती है लेकिन अचानक से बादल होते हैं और साथ तेज़ बारिश शुरू हो जाती है. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस कंडीशन कॉल्ड? This is called weather that remains for few hours or days. Now move forward and see that what is climate. Climate refers to the average weather conditions in a place over many years. Climate means मौसम की वो सूरत हाल जो कि किसी जगह पे कई सालों तक रहती है. हम लोग ये ऑब्ज़र्व करते हैं कई सालों तक कि वहाँ पे जो मौसम है वो कैसे है. उसके बाद हम किसी कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचते हैं कि यहाँ पे मौसम ड्राई है, हॉट है, कोल्ड है. सो द वेदर कंडीशन ओवर मैनी ईयर्स इज कॉल्ड क्लाइमेट. We usually take it to be at least 30 years to account for the range of natural variations from one year to next, and the climate in one area is called regional climate, whereas the climate of the world is known as global climate. So class, what is weather and climate? Weather is a specific condition that remains for few hours or days, whereas the climate is a condition that remains for many years. Okay class, now move forward and see the types of climate in Pakistan. In Pakistan, we have the 4 seasons throughout the year. Number 1, winter. Number 2, spring, the season in which the weather usually turns warmer and the trees begin to grow their leaves. The third one is summer, and last one is fall season. In this season, the weather usually turns colder and the trees begin to fall their leaves. और ये seasons किन-किन months में होते हैं? You can see this here. Now move forward and see the next topic of this chapter, that is abnormal weather systems. Means the conditions in which you have to face the extreme weathers. The number 1, floods, means sailab. Flooding occurs most commonly from heavy rainfall, and Pakistan has witnessed 20 major floods in its history. यानी ऐसी कंडीशन जिसमें बहुत तेज़ बारिश, मुसलसल बारिश होने की वजह से पानी जमा हो जाता है. And this condition can cause harm not only to human beings but also to their properties. Next one is thunderstorm. It's a storm with lightning and thunder. It brings wind and heavy rain. यानी ऐसा तूफ़ान जिसमें बिजली चमकती है और बादल गरजते हैं. And it brings winds and heavy rainfall with it. You can see this storm in the picture. The next one is dust storm. The storm which is mostly found in areas of Upper Sindh and parts of Balochistan. And this storm often lasts for few minutes, and it also causes major harm to human beings as well as to their properties. Now see the next topic, that is global warming and climate change. Due to harmful gases releasing in the atmosphere through factories and cars, the ozone layer now has a big hole. Ozone layer is a layer which protects us from harmful rays of the sun, and life on earth couldn't exist without protective shield of ozone layer. And due to this hole, temperature rises, which results in melting of snow all around the world, and this phenomena is called global warming. So class, global warming किसे कहते हैं? हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में एक लेयर है जिसे हम ओजोन लेयर कहते हैं. And what is the purpose of this layer? Is to protect us from harmful rays of the sun. लेकिन हम जो harmful gases रिलीज़ करते हैं एटमॉस्फेयर में थ्रू फैक्ट्रीज एंड थ्रू ट्रांसपोर्ट, उसकी वजह से ओजोन लेयर में एक होल हो चुका हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से जो सूरज की जो डायरेक्ट हीट है वो हम तक पहुंचती है, एंड एज अ रिज़ल्ट the temperature of this earth rises, and due to which we have to face the melting of snow all around the world. So class, due to this whole, we have to face many negative consequences. Number 1 is the global warming. As a result, we have to face many skin problems and shortage of food in many regions. So it's important for us to protect our environment around us in order to avoid extreme weather conditions, in order to avoid global warming, so that we can live happily in this earth. Okay class, so this was the overview of this topic, and that's all for today. So what you need to do is to do the reading of this chapter from the book. Okay class, I hope you all know these rules. So do you work properly class? We will see the exercise of this chapter in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz, take care.